Instead of going out, she chose to stay home. The house was quiet and everything needed care and attention. First, she carefully fixed the bed. Then she fed the cats, 1 spoon of food each. After that, she picked up the dirty clothes one by one and placed them into the washer. But before we continue, if this resonated, like it, a heart if it touched you. Subscribe to stay. She washed the dishes, took out the trash, swept the floor, and vacuumed the carpet.